Hey there, tech-savvy friends. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest how-to guides to make your life easier. Today, we're tackling something super straightforward: how to activate your NAB card on the app for 2025. If you're a NAB customer, you'll love how quick and secure this process is. It's designed to get you up and running in just a few minutes. Let's dive right in. First things first, ensure you have the NAB mobile app installed on your smartphone. If you don't, head over to your App Store, whether it's Google Play for Android or the App Store for iPhone, and download the latest version. Once that's done, open the app and log in with your NAB username and password. If you're a new user, you'll need to create an account using your card details or online banking info. Now, once you're logged in, navigate to the Cards or Accounts section. Look for your NAB card. It's usually listed under Active Cards. Tap on it, and you should see an option that says, Activate Card, or something similar. This is where the magic happens. You'll be prompted to enter a unique activation code, which is typically found on the sticker attached to your physical card or sent via email. Double-check that code for accuracy to avoid any errors. After entering the code, the app might ask you to verify your identity. This could involve a quick PIN entry, a fingerprint scan, or even a one-time SMS code for added security. It's all about keeping your account safe. Hit Confirm or Activate, and voila! Your card should now be activated and ready for use. Remember, for 2025, NAB has updated their app with enhanced features like biometric login, so take a moment to explore those. If you run into any hiccups, don't panic. The app has a built-in help center with FAQs, or you can contact NAB support directly through the app. That's it for today's tutorial. Activating your NAB card is easier than ever. If you found this helpful, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay safe and see you in the next video.